Hello car music lovers. If you're looking for some of the best single DIN head units with Apple CarPlay that money can buy, then you're in for a treat. Today, I'll be reviewing 5 top contenders, starting from number 5 and counting down to our ultimate pick. Whether you're looking for something sleek, powerful, or budget-friendly, there's something here for everyone. Before we start, don't forget to subscribe so you never miss out on future car audio reviews. And remember, if you're interested in buying any of these amazing products at the best possible price, check out the links in the description below. Now, let's get started. Number 5. Boss Audio Systems BVCP9700AFL Single DIN Car Stereo. This compact yet powerful unit features a 7-inch touchscreen display, wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, Bluetooth connectivity, and AM/FM radio reception. It allows users to access their iPhone's essential functions through Siri voice controls or by directly interacting with the touchscreen. With features like phone, music, maps, text messages, radio, podcasts, and audiobooks available via CarPlay, it ensures an intuitive driving experience. The Bluetooth functionality enables hands-free calling and streaming from apps like Spotify or Pandora. Additionally, this head unit offers various input options such as USB, AV, front and rear camera inputs, along with steering wheel control support when using an optional module. Its robust design includes external microphone support and outputs for front, rear, and subwoofer preamps. The standout feature of the Boss Audio Systems BVCP9700AFL lies in its simplicity and reliability. For those who prefer a straightforward setup without unnecessary frills, this model delivers everything needed for modern convenience while maintaining affordability. It caters perfectly to drivers seeking reliable Bluetooth audio performance and seamless smartphone integration through both Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Moreover, the inclusion of a 3-year Platinum Online Dealer warranty provides peace of mind regarding durability and service quality. However, one minor drawback is the lack of advanced customization options compared to pricier alternatives. Despite this limitation, the overall value offered makes it absolutely worth considering. Number 4. JENSEN J1CA9 9-inch Single DIN Touchscreen Car Stereo. Moving up to number 4, we have the JENSEN Single DIN Car Stereo. This device boasts a large 9-inch LCD touchscreen with a resolution of 1024 by 600 pixels, delivering sharp visuals and responsive interaction. Equipped with built-in Apple CarPlay and Android Auto compatibility, it simplifies navigation, phone calls, voicemail management, text messaging, and music playback, all while keeping drivers focused on the road. Featuring integrated Bluetooth technology, this unit supports hands-free calling and music streaming alongside phonebook synchronization. A notable advantage is its backup camera input capability, which enhances safety during parking maneuvers. Other highlights include dual USB ports, front 2.1 amperes and rear 1.5 amperes fast charging, 3 pairs of 4-volt RCA preamp outputs, 8 equalizer presets, and time alignment settings. Powered by 460 watts MOSFET amplifier outputs, it promises rich sound quality across all genres. What truly sets the JENSEN J1CA9 apart is its combination of affordability and versatility. Drivers looking for a balance between size, usability, and cost will appreciate how this unit fits seamlessly into smaller dashboards without compromising functionality. Its 9-inch screen strikes a perfect equilibrium between visibility and practicality, ensuring easy navigation and media control. Furthermore, the inclusion of customizable equalizer settings caters to audiophiles who enjoy fine-tuning their listening experience. While some users may find the absence of additional premium features slightly limiting, the comprehensive package still represents excellent value for money. Ultimately, this product remains highly recommended due to its well-rounded capabilities. Number 3. PLZ Single DIN Car Stereo. Next up at number 3 is the PLZ Single DIN Car Stereo, offering a remarkable blend of cutting-edge technology and high-fidelity audio performance. This head unit features a massive 10.1-inch IPS HD touchscreen with a resolution of 1920 by 1080 pixels, providing crystal-clear visuals and vibrant colors. Supporting both wired and wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, it grants users flexibility in connecting their devices based on preference. Voice command functionality powered by Apple Siri or Google Assistant ensures effortless operation even during complex tasks. An impressive built-in DSP system, combined with a 10-band equalizer and dual subwoofers, produces deep, resonant bass and meticulously tuned audio reproduction. Enhanced Bluetooth 5.3 connectivity with an independent module and extra antenna guarantees stable wireless communication, reducing interference and noise. Additional features include front and rear camera support, steering wheel controls, versatile connectivity hubs, and fast charging capabilities. This particular model excels in delivering an immersive multimedia experience tailored for audiophiles and tech enthusiasts alike. The ability to switch between wired and wireless connections adds significant convenience depending on individual needs. Coupled with superior Bluetooth performance and advanced digital signal processing, it creates a symphony of sound unmatched by many competitors in its class. Ideal for individuals seeking a state-of-the-art entertainment system within their vehicle, this unit does not disappoint. One potential downside could be the lack of Wi-Fi hotspot functionality. However, given its extensive range of other features, it remains an outstanding choice overall. Number 2. Pioneer SPH10BT Touchscreen, Single DIN in-dash Receiver. Coming in at number 2 is the Pioneer Touchscreen Single DIN in-dash Receiver, renowned for its innovative features and user-friendly interface. Compatible with both Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, this receiver integrates effortlessly with smartphones, allowing access to navigation, messaging, and hands-free calling functionalities. Built-in Bluetooth ensures secure wireless connectivity for convenient call handling and audio streaming. Mixtrack's technology transforms ordinary playlists into dynamic DJ-style mixes complete with lighting effects, adding excitement to every journey. Alongside USB and auxiliary inputs, this unit also supports Pioneer Smart Sync, an app designed to expand the user interface further, enabling enhanced navigation and communication experiences. With robust power handling capabilities and compatibility with various add-ons, it proves adaptable to diverse sound preferences. This Pioneer head unit shines brightly thanks to its unique mix of traditional reliability and contemporary innovation. Its Mixtrax feature appeals particularly to music lovers who crave variety and creativity in their auditory adventures. Meanwhile, the incorporation of Pioneer Smart Sync broadens horizons beyond basic infotainment systems, catering to tech-savvy drivers eager to maximize utility. Although some might argue that the physical buttons aren't as prominent as desired, the overall design prioritizes minimalism and efficiency effectively. As such, this receiver stands tall among rivals, offering unmatched satisfaction for discerning customers. Number 1. Sony XAV-AX8000 DIN head unit. And finally, taking first place is the Sony 1DIN head unit. Boasting an oversized 8.95-inch floating anti-glare LCD screen, it provides intuitive and safe control over music playback and smartphone operations. Full support for Apple CarPlay and Android Auto enables quick access to familiar iPhone or Android features through Siri or Google Assistant. A built-in 4x55 watts amplifier ensures crystal-clear sound even at higher volumes, complemented by multiple customization options for personalized audio enjoyment. Adjustable 3-way mounting facilitates flexible installation configurations, whereas rearview camera readiness incorporates customizable guidelines for safer reversing. Pre-outs for 3 5-volt channels allow expansion possibilities including external amplifiers and subwoofers, enhancing the entire listening environment significantly. There's no denying why the Sony head unit reigns supreme. It combines elegance, power, and adaptability like no other. From its strikingly large display to its potent amplification system, every aspect has been meticulously crafted to deliver peak performance. Tailored specifically towards drivers desiring premium-grade sound systems with ample room for upgrades, this head unit fulfills expectations admirably. Though some may perceive the price tag as relatively steep, the wealth of included features justifies the investment wholeheartedly. Without question, investing in the Sony XAV-AX8000 guarantees unparalleled pleasure behind the wheel. That wraps up my countdown of the best single-DIN head units featuring Apple CarPlay. Hopefully, you found this review insightful and helpful in making your purchasing decision. Remember, if you liked what you saw today, give the video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more content. To grab these fantastic deals, visit the links provided in the description box below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.